How to increase maximum volume on iPhone? So let's see. First, open settings, scroll down. Here you can see accessibility. Open this, scroll down. Here you can see audio and visuals. Open this. Here you can see headphone accommodations. Open this, turn on this. Set this on strong, increase to strong. Then go back to main setting, go back. Here you can see sounds and haptics. Open this, scroll down. Here you can see volume limit. Open this, turn on this, and increase volumes to 90%. Set this to 90%. So in this way you can increase volume on iPhone. Thanks for watching.